You wake up one morning, check your phone, and your bank account is empty. No warning, no explanation. Just gone. Now imagine a world where that didn't happen digitally, but with cannons, smoke, and a man so terrifying that ships surrendered at the sight of him. That man was Blackbeard. He wasn't born powerful. After the War of the Spanish Succession, thousands of sailors were left with nothing. No jobs, no income, just survival. Blackbeard made a bold move. He stepped into piracy, a world of extreme risk but massive reward. But he didn't play the game like everyone else. While other pirates fought brutal battles, Blackbeard focused on perception. He turned himself into a symbol of fear, a towering figure with a braided beard and burning fuses under his hat, surrounded by smoke. He didn't just attack, he performed, and it worked. Most ships surrendered instantly. No fight, no damage. While others risked everything, Blackbeard won with minimal effort. He understood a powerful truth. People react more to what they believe than what is real. His reputation became his greatest weapon. At his peak, he controlled trade routes and spread fear across the seas. But fear has limits. Eventually, the British government sent Robert Maynard to stop him. This time, there was no shortcut, no surrender. The battle was fierce, chaotic, and real. And in the end, Blackbeard fell. His legend lived on, but his empire ended. That's the lesson. Fast power built on fear can win quickly. But it doesn't last. Real power, the kind that builds wealth and survives over time, comes from something stronger. Strategy, trust, and consistency. Because in the end, what's built slowly is what lasts.